My name is David Dowling. I'm the Manager of Data and Connectivity at TotalEnergies in the H2 Gas Mobility business line. TotalEnergies is a global energy provider. They employ over 100,000 people and operate in more than 130 countries worldwide. At TotalEnergies, we use Insights Hub primarily to support the operations and maintenance of the refueling stations. All of our operations and maintenance is typically outsourced, and we have a very small number of domain experts who are spread quite thin, supporting all of those assets. We see the agentic AI as a way of storing the knowledge from those domain experts and also scaling that knowledge worldwide to help improve our operations and maintenance overall. Once we started working with the CoPilot studio, we quickly realized that what you're trying to achieve is essentially writing a very engineered prompt for the AI with a very clear set of instructions to say, with this information in, execute these tasks and provide feedback in this format. And in that way, you develop a skill. If you have time and you can write the instruction very clearly and detailed and test, then you can really get good outcomes from the agents every time. We're finding immediately that quality is the leading driver of low OEE, so then we're focusing on, okay, what are the underlying causes for poorer quality? And we're focusing on skills that immediately look into that to solve real problems that we're seeing. In the longer term, rather than having a person prompting the AI and saying, I have a problem, please help me, we see the way forward as being the AI detects the problem and prompts the human to say, you have a problem and here's how I think you should solve it. That will really speed up the response times and the accuracy and make everything much more efficient than how it currently now works. The Siemens team really see and understands the business cases behind what you're trying to do and realize that if they can help you solve that, you're then a very happy customer.